Hi everyone, welcome back to GTT9Q. Today we will show you how to replace the front camera on the Google Pixel 5 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair which you can find in the description. The first step is to remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the screen. And then insert plastic cup pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. Be gentle in this process. The flex connector cable is on the left hand side of the screen. Always use the edge of the plastic cup pry tool to avoid internal damages. Next, lift the screen gradually from the right hand side to the left hand side and keep it like an open book. Next, take out the connector bracket using a tweezer. Next, disconnect the LCD connector plug from the board. Now you can free the screen from the body. And also, always make sure to clean the frame edges. Next, release the graphite tape. Next, undo 10 screws holding the board bracket. There are 2 screws with a shield on top of the charging port board. Peel the tape and undo both screws and pull out the bracket. Next, gently pull out the board bracket from the body. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, pull out the battery from the body. First, extract both adhesives by pulling the tab. Please note that some phones may have extra pulling tabs and others may not. It depends on previous repairs and techniques. Next, gently using a pry tool, pull out the battery from the body. Next, disconnect two camera connector plugs from the board. Next, undo the screw and gently pull out the rear camera unit from the board. Next, take out the logic board from the body. First, disconnect two connector plugs from the logic board. Next, undo two screws holding the board. One is on the top left and the other one is on the bottom right. Next, eject the SIM tray. Next, gently pull out the logic board from the body. Be gentle in this process. Next, flip the logic board and then disconnect and pull out the networking front camera from the board. Next, place and secure the new front camera on the board. Next, secure the logic board on the body. Be gentle with flex cables. Next, secure the board by adding two screws. Next, insert the SIM tray. Next, connect both plugs to the board. Next, place and secure the rear camera unit on the body. Next, connect both plugs and secure the unit by adding the screw. Next, place the battery with adhesive. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the board bracket by adding 10 screws. Make sure to add the small shield when adding 2 screws on top of the charging port board. Next, connect the screen for testing. Once the testing has passed, take out the screen. Next, before installing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue. For this, you can use B7000 glue or new LCD screen adhesive. Here, we are using B7000 glue. Next, secure the LCD connector and the connector bracket. Next, gently slide in the screen from the left to the right. Slightly apply pressure on screen edges. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tighten the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.